Understanding Technical Skills, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important topic, technical skills. This term is widely used in various professional contexts, and understanding it can be very beneficial for non-native English speakers. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of technical skills. Technical skills refer to the specific abilities and knowledge that people use in their jobs or careers. These are practical skills that are often related to information technology, engineering, science, or other specialized fields. Unlike soft skills, which are about personal attributes and interaction, technical skills are more about practical expertise in specific tasks. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples. Programming, writing and understanding computer code. Graphic design, creating visual content using software like Adobe Photoshop. Data analysis, interpreting and managing data using tools like Excel or SQL. These are just a few examples. Technical skills can vary widely depending on the industry. In today's job market, technical skills are highly valued. They are essential for performing specific job tasks efficiently, improving productivity and quality of work, enhancing career prospects as many employers seek candidates with strong technical skills. So, how can one develop technical skills? 1. Education. Taking courses or earning degrees in specific fields. 2. Practice. Gaining hands-on experience through projects or internships. 3. Continuous learning. Staying updated with the latest trends and technologies in your field. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what technical skills are and why they are important. Remember, whether you're looking to advance in your career or just starting out, developing technical skills can open many doors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content.